Hi then, welcome to another tutorial on how to optimize your business processes and how to automate it even further with the help of InvoiceBerry and Zapier. My name is Uwe, I'm the founder of InvoiceBerry, a simple online invoicing software for small business owners. Today we're looking at Dropbox and how to connect InvoiceBerry with Dropbox in order to optimize your business processes. The specific use case is that whenever we add a client to InvoiceBerry, we will also create a folder in Dropbox for that client. That is great for any businesses that need to have client data in their Dropbox, either backed up online for themselves or shared with a team. For example, if you're a web designer and you add a new client to your InvoiceBerry account, you want to also create a Dropbox folder for that client. All right, so let's dive right into it. I just go into my Dropbox account. So as you can see, I just have one folder for clients and that folder is empty right now. Okay, let's go to Zapier and let's search for InvoiceBerry, because this time InvoiceBerry will be the trigger and Dropbox will be the action. As a trigger, what we want is a new client. We could also create a new folder for every new item or quote or invoice or expense. But in this case, we just want to say for new clients, let's create a new client folder. And as the action, as you can see here, there are different options, but we could even upload a file, but we want to create a folder. Let's click on try it. And now as the first step, we have to connect Dropbox and InvoiceBerry to Zapier. All right, so let's click on connect. And for InvoiceBerry, we need the API key and the API password to connect it to Zapier. So let's head over to InvoiceBerry, click on settings, main settings, and integrations, and here you find the API key and the API password. Let's copy the key, pop it into here, and let's go to the password, copy it, pop it into here, and let's click on continue. Perfect, our InvoiceBerry account has been connected to Zapier. Let's click on next. It's now getting some data from our InvoiceBerry account. If you have not set up any clients in the past, you might have to create a client in your InvoiceBerry account by going to clients and just click on new client. I've already got clients in my account, so Zapier just took the newest client. Okay, so let's connect our Dropbox account. Just click on connect. And that's it, perfect. Let's just click on next. And now you have to select the folder where you want the new client folders to appear in. In this case, I just have one folder, clients. You might have more folders, so just select the correct folder and click on next. Now you have to select the folder name of the newly created folder. Most likely you just want to take the company name of your client. So I just click here and it should be the sample client limited. Let's just go to InvoiceBerry. So this is the sample data Zapier got from InvoiceBerry, and let's click on next. Let's send the test. Okay, let's check Dropbox. Click on clients. Here's our folder. Perfect. So let's just click on next and turn on the Zap and test it once more. Okay, perfect. So our Zap is now live. So let's go to InvoiceBerry and run one more test. Let's click on new client and I will create a new client. Let's say John Smith. And let's just leave this empty for now. Add client. So now we have this new client here. So here we have our new client in InvoiceBerry. So let's quickly go to Dropbox. It might take a few minutes, but let's go to Dropbox and see if the John Smith folder has been created. So let's click here on Dropbox. Here are all my files. I click on clients. This is a sample client limited from earlier, and perfect. Here's the new folder. All right, that's it. Thanks a lot for listening. And if you've got any questions on how to optimize your business workflow and how to automate your business, please don't hesitate to leave a comment underneath this video. Happy invoicing and bye-bye for now.